Lil Jon in the crowd somewhere? Hey, how you guys doing? So we just want to thank you for coming out and checking us out. We're called This Century. We're from Phoenix, Arizona, the hometown of the Maine and Austin Gibbs. What do you guys think of Austin Gibbs, huh? Well, hey, we got a couple more songs for you guys. This next one is about seeing that special someone, yeah, who just takes your breath away, you know? So, feel free to grab someone's hand next to you. And, let me see those dance moves, alright? I still think we can wake up a little bit more. I was 17 and stupid, she was pink and perfect. We were almost make-believe, innocent and nervous. And you became a child, and I can't get enough. She loved the sound of fire burning up the night, and I can't only think to save my life. So I don't wanna tell so. I don't wanna tell so to your arms when time was still and nothing mattered. You can take my heart and break it, shake it, leave me forsaken.